So often, a lot of times, actually, people ask me, is WordPress good for big websites? My answer is yes, WordPress is great for big information websites, news sites, business sites, and blogs. On the other hand, WordPress is not as good as, for big websites that need huge custom development teams to manage the flow of the data. For example, a big news website could use WordPress successfully without any hiccups. Forbes, TechCrunch, BBC America, and even the official Star Wars blogs uses WordPress. These websites experience influxes traffic and publish tons of content each day. WordPress works great. On the other hand, websites that require more technology and management are not as well suited for WordPress. For example, a site like Quora, LinkedIn, or Facebook needs a ton of user management and security and query analysis. Technologies like JavaScript, jQuery, MySQL, Python, C++, Linux are better suited for large applications like these. Another question people ask me oftentimes, is WordPress good for SEO? My answer is yes. WordPress comes with incredible SEO right out of the box. It handles proper HTML markup for you, provides SEO-friendly metadata, makes title tags and headings super easy to manage, optimize images for browser and mobile, and makes content creation crazy simple. WordPress also makes it easy to further optimize for SEO and plugin and themes. Tools such as all-in-one SEO, Yoast, and mobile responsive themes further improve SEO opportunities. WordPress is great for SEO without the need to customize much or anything at all. Thank you.